Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Jaya Radha Ramana, Radha Ramana, Radha Ramana, Radhe, Jai Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai, Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai, Jai Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Jai Prabhupada, Jaya Srila Prabhupada, Gaurari Bol, Jaya Gaurari Bol, Gaurari Bol, Jaya Gaurari Bol. Hare Krishna. Yugdharma Harinam Sankirtan. Jai. Om Agyantimirandhasya Jnananjana Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamiti Namne. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesh Shunyadi Paschadeshcharane. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasati Gaura Bhaktorinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna. So again, a welcome to all of you. I have a natural setup. Mine is not Photoshop. So this is our library. This is the only room which is concrete. You can later I'll show you the walls. In our whole construction, this library is the only concrete one because we want the books to be safe. And this we generally use for generally digital classes. Hare Krishna. So today is especially Thanksgiving to all of you in your Hare Krishna. It is cold here. So as I came to know that 26th is the Thanksgiving day in US or whatever. When I worked in the corporate, I think so, I still remember there were some gifts given on this day to employees or something like that. So generally this day is remembered to express our gratitude to all the people who we have dealt and who have contributed to our lives, who have been very instrumental in giving us or guiding us in our turmoils and giving their shoulders, you know, in Hindi bolte na kanda diya, or those parents, our teachers, our relatives, our friends, you know, and obviously the ex-girlfriends also, those who broke your heart and made you more serious in spiritual life. You know, we have to be very.
Good idea.
Somebody's unmute in ecstasy. Yeah, see, Abhay is laughing for this. Yeah, I got it. So this is what actually we all are meant to do every day. It is just as a matter of practice that we are at least having a day, official day for it. It is just like, you know, you have one day for chocolate day, but generally people eat chocolate every day. One day is, you know, Women's Day, but actually women are there every day. You know, you should have great gratitude to them for every day. There is Men's Day, but men's are every day. You know, actually, unfortunately, on the Men's Day, neither the Facebook gives a notification, neither the doodle dedicates for Men's Day, and neither the woman wish the men on the Men's Day. So they are that is why there is Vairagya is very sure to come for men generally. Nobody cares for them actually, and they have to care for all the days. Just joking. So we are all. There are days specifically dedicated, and so there is this Thanksgiving Day that generally is a culture in the West. In India, it is like you don't have to say thanks. Saying thanks is not very. बोलो thank वैंक छोड़ो, कुछ काम का वापिस दो. You know, give something practical in return. Don't just say some sweet thanks and leave us. You know, so this is in the culture here, and you all know it. You know, thank वैंक बोल के नहीं चलेगा. Give us a party. But in West, there is a thanks. There is a feeling of gratitude towards what we have got. So, anyways, there are two versions of this Thanksgiving. We'll go to a version of attaching it to Krishna. And if you see carefully, whom we are really supposed to say thanks, you know, we are really supposed to say thanks to the Supreme Lord, who is in every feature of our life. You know, every form of life that we see, He's there. You know, Krishna says, "Rasoham apsu kaunteya," that actually the water that you taste, you know, you can drink a lot of Coca-Cola, a lot of Pepsi, a lot of, you know, cold drinks, a lot of hot cold coffee and hot coffee and whatever you want to drink, but ultimately it will not give you, it will not quench your thirst, or it will not give you satisfaction. The satisfaction will only come when you actually drink water. So Krishna says, "I am the taste of water." Rasoham apsu kaunteya. And this in the summer, after summer, when the rain comes, you will see the mud, the earth, the fragrance of earth comes out. A very nice fragrance which comes out. So Krishna says, "I am that fragrance of earth." So because if you see, that is the most pleasant fragrance actually, apart from all the perfumes and all. The perfumes and all surely give a nice titillation to your nose, but they actually don't satisfy your heart. But if you smell the wet earth, with the first rain comes and the earth is wet, you will find it like, you know, something satisfying. Very like, you know, wow, you feel like going everywhere and dancing. You know, I don't know whether you have that kind of feature there. Do you have like that rainy season, Ramchandrapur? The same feeling there also, because you have been here and you have been there. Okay, Yogesh Prabhu is saying yes. So
Well,
I
we don't
agree.
have a rainy season per se. It could rain any day.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So your fragrance is mixed fragrance, huh? Good. So that is why you should come back to India. So, so we will just see how Krishna has entered our lives and why we should actually say a great thank you to him. Hmm? Actually, we can't even see this world if we don't have these eyes. Look, if you look around, what you can even see or perceive is because of Krishna, not only because he has given these eyes. How many of you know what is the object, by what is the actual requirement to see things? Basic, the first primary thing. I'll give you 1 lakh, maybe
Light?
$1,000.
Light, Prabhuji?
Who said this? Who said this?
This is me, Abhay, Prabhuji. Light.
Abhay, are hippie guy, I knew you will this lottery. You have made it. So, big Haribol to Prabhuji. Big Haribol. Big Haribol. All of you, please
Haribol.
unmute yourself.
Haribol.
Yes. So these are your one. Prabhu. These Haribols are the real wealth. So, actually, if there is no light, you can't see only, even if you have eyes. So the most primary factor is actually light, and the light is from the sunlight, not the light that we have. Even to create these lights, you need that light. You need the sunlight. So this whole universe is nothing but a Brahmanda full of darkness. And Krishna comes as Surya Narayana. He comes as Surya Narayana. Even in this darkness where we have left him, he comes and he actually manifests himself here. So that is why, there was Chhat Puja. I don't know, many of you must have heard the Chhat Puja that happens in India on various. So it is done for Surya Narayana. It is done. They stand in the water. Mataji stand in the water for maybe 36 hours. And they offer prayers to Surya Narayana. So that is a strength of a devotee, that he feels like he expresses his gratitude. So what you do on 26th November in Vedic tradition, they do it in Chhat Puja. Now, what is Ganeshotsav? It is a matter of gratitude. Ganesha is Vignaharta. He removes all your obstacles in daily life. So we have whole 10 days celebration, 21 days celebration. Some people do it, maybe some do 5 days, some did 1.5 day. So there is celebration. You invite that person to your home and express your gratitude, feed him nicely, serve him nicely, and they will not directly come. So they come in the form of Vigraha. You serve them. There is Saraswati Puja in India, and especially it is very well practiced in Bengal and Bihar. So Saraswati Puja is, Saraswati is a goddess of learning. She is a demigod representation of Krishna, who is in charge of learning. So you can actually worship her to get more intelligence, to understand subject matters finely. So as a matter of gratitude, there is Saraswati Puja once in a year. And I have seen in Bihar, there are people who are very poor. They may just have their hand to mouth earning. But if it is Saraswati Puja, they will sell off things just to worship Ma Saraswati. That is a level of love and dedication they have. So it is a thanksgiving to Mother Saraswati. There are all these devatas. All our indriyas are controlled by different devatas, the demigods. So when you actually worship Krishna, you actually express your gratitude to all of them once together. We express our gratitude to Krishna, and we worship Krishna daily. And then actually you are indirectly expressing your gratitude to all the 33 crore demigods. All of them. Somebody asked me, Prabhuji, this 33 crore or 33 type or 33 in count. Actually, there are 33 crores. Crores means you have to add the crore zero ahead of it. 00, 00, and 000. Because when I read cosmology, in front of Chandra itself, there are 33 million demigods standing for the Somarasa. So it is very clear. 33 million are there, then remaining all, if you add, they will be there. So, I don't know whether I told you the story of the blind mother and the son. Whether I told it Ramchandra Prabhu sometime in this class? Okay, I'll just tell you. You will realize that how much people around us do for us, and we just keep a blind eye. Okay, and we just take them for granted. Later to realize how unfortunate we are that we could not even express our gratitude. There was this man who wrote this article himself. He wrote it on the, what do you say, the online people write their blogs. So he wrote it on his blog actually. Very nice, very nice. Actually, it was so touching. In fact, I started crying when I read it. I connected to Krishna. Very nice. So what happened was, he says that when he was small, he was studying in a school, and his mother was an ayah. Ayah means the lady who sweeps the school and all. So generally they are not very well treated, in the sense they are like, yeah. The kids also don't value them much. So this lady, her one eye was actually damaged, and it was very dirty looking here. So the son, who was also studying in this school, because the principal allowed to study because she was already a maid servant there in the school, and she didn't have money much. So there is a contract that my son will study, and I'll do all this jhadu and things here. But the son, although he was a great scholar, he studied a lot, but he never ever acknowledged his mother in front of his friends, because he didn't want to tell the friends that this ugly looking woman is my mother. So he tried to deny her, and she also realized this. So he also didn't portray or show off her love in front of everybody. So it gradually happened that, he passed out his school and he scored very good marks, and he got an offer in the West, in the US, to study, and he got his sponsorship and scholarships and all those things. And mother was very happy that my son is now going to become one of the best, brightest students of the school. And then he went to the US, he studied, somebody sponsored him, and then he never came back. He just got married there itself, and he settled down. And then he got one big offer after many years in India back. He accepted this offer, but it was in a city, and this was a remote area where he was actually living. His mother was living, and he never wrote a letter to his mother, never wrote anything, nothing. He didn't even send money. Forget about writing. He told his wife that actually I don't have mother and father. He told his kids that actually I don't have mother and father. And somehow when he came to that place in India, so the network in India is very fast. So she somehow somebody came to know that your son is staying in so and so place. He's a very wealthy man. He has a bungalow and all these things. So why don't you go and meet him once? You have a grandson now. So she was very happy, and Dadima, they prepare laddus and all that for their potas, their son-in-law, grandsons, and then she took all these laddus. Somehow, whatever money she had, she went to that city. She tracked the address, and she was old now, and she had this thing, and it was very ugly looking. And when she rang the bell, the grandson came. And when the grandson came, he saw and he shouted, ghost, ghost, because the small kid. He thought, hey, ghost, ghost. And father came out and said, what happened? He said, Daddy, there's a ghost there on the door. So he went out and he saw his own mother. He told his mother, why you came here? Don't you want me to be happy? Don't tell anybody that you came here. Just go away. If you want, I'll just give you money. She says, no, I didn't come for money. I actually was very happy to see my own grandson. I came to know you. Now you're settled, you're married. I don't want anything. I just came to see you. He says, nothing doing. You go. And then the mother didn't say anything. She got the laddus as it is back, She came and she lived her life. After 10 years, actually, This boy, he came back to, there is a school, there is an alumni meet where they had invited all the alumni to come and speak off and whatever. So naturally, those who are successful like to attend the alumni meet because they get a chance to speak and boast off. So so he came all the way and he started boasting, and he gave how you can be successful in the 10 steps of success and 5 steps of whatever. He started saying all these things, and in core of his heart he was seeing, where is the lady? Is she here? So she was not seen anywhere in the premises. So he somehow decided that I have come alone. Why not go and meet my mother now? So he saw, and her home was like a small, small thing, small hut type. So he went, and there was a lock to the door. The door was locked. So the neighbor saw that he is searching somebody. He says, "What are you searching?" He asked that, "I heard that there is one lady staying here." Yeah. There is one lady staying here. Some 2 months back, she actually passed away. But before passing away, she wanted to write something for her son. So she has written a letter for her son. So if you know her son, tell him to collect the letter from us. He didn't say that I am the son of that lady. He said, actually, yeah, you give me. I personally know him. He says, then you take this letter because we don't know and we can't search also. We can't go to the cities. We don't have that money. So you can actually give him. So he took the letter and he cut the letter. He started reading. The letter mentioned that, my dear son, I'm so happy and proud of you that in such a short span, in such a poverty-stricken situation, you got yourself up, you studied, you actually become a great scholar, people revere you, you write articles, you are so rich now. And actually, I just wanted to tell you that day, but I could not tell you. So I'm writing this in this letter. The day you get this letter, please do this ASAP, as soon as possible. My humble request is, actually, I never told you how your father died. Actually, you and your father were going on the cycle and a truck hit him behind. He actually died on the spot and you fell off, but you lost one eye. So when you lost one eye, I immediately hurried you and took you to the doctor, and the doctor said that the eye costs in lakhs. So then I told him, can my eye be put to him? And he said, yes, temporarily it can be used and later he can replace it with a better one. So actually I gave my eye to you. So it may happen that my eye and your second eye may not be in proportion. Now that you have got money, make sure you replace your eye. It was after that he realized that actually the eye that he looked with was his mother's eye, and he was supposed to be ugly. It is by his mother's mercy that she was looking ugly just for her son. Okay. So we all want to usurp things, boast ourselves, but we forget this basic thing, that all that we have is given by people around us. He started actually crying. He wrote this blog only to express his, gratitude to his mother. He said, and now she's not alive, but now I'm feeling more guilty, and now she's no more. Even if I want to express my love or share my opulence, she is no more. So let's not be late. Let's remember that actually Krishna, actually just imagine she's a normal mother. She loves us, her son so much. Krishna as Paramatma in our hearts is day and night with us. You are sleeping, he is with you. You are awake, he is with you. You are in poverty, he is with you. You are in opulence, he is with you. You are in no problem, he is with you. You are in full problem, he is still with you. And what it takes to just give a small flower every day morning and put it in his feet and say, Krishna, thank you. I know it's you. Oh, Das Gadadhar gives very nice classes. At the back of the mind, you should know. The day he stops memory, everything will be abolished. So we all have to be sensitive. In Hindi or Sanskrit, it is called Kritagnyata, gratitude. And the opposite is called Kritagnata. Kritagnata means lack of gratitude, or offensive, you can say, or ungrateful. So I still remember once somebody asked our Guru Maharaj in Sunday Feast program in Chopati. He says, Maharaj, what is the greatest sin that a person can commit? So we all can think of meat eating, intoxication, illicit sex, on gambling. We may say all this. Maharaj said, the lack of gratitude to all that we have got from Krishna is the greatest sin. We have to be grateful. And I'll tell you, a grateful heart is a happy heart. And those who, that's why you see why devotees are very happy and jolly. They have nothing for themselves. Whatever they have, they use it for Krishna. Whether it be sannyasi, whether it be grihastha, actually, generally, our grihasthas always feel this guilt. Oh, maybe I have kept something for me, I should, what should I do? No, even if you have this, Krishna is very happy if you have it. It is not that Krishna wants it. Krishna wants that whatever you have got, now you do and remember him. You chant his names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Just some back before I started my class, we saw how they used to do Tulsi Puja. They offered Tulsi, and the small kids, they were playing Mridanga and chanting Kirtan. So you have two kids, it's an opulence. But when you engage them in Krishna service, that is spiritual opulence. And it's like that. Because in this place, it is very easy to just go haywire and say, oh, who cares? It just came by chance. Everything came by chance. This modern theory saying that everything came by chance is itself false. Because if you also came by chance, then whatever statements you are saying is just by chance. Then why should I accept it seriously? So people generally want to, Newton once, he had this solar model in his home, and one of his friends was an atheist. He came, says, hey, Newton, where did you get this model? So Newton was not an atheist, he was a theist. So he said, yeah, it came by chance. He was just being sarcastic to his friend, scientist friend. Oh yeah, it came by chance. He said, no. I mean to say, where did you purchase it? Oh, he said, this whole universe can come by chance. Why can my model not come by chance? So we may think everything came by chance, but there is nothing called chance. There is a perfect organization by the Lord himself. There is this story of Pingala. How many of you know Pingala? Just say Haribol. Unmute yourself and say Haribol.
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 But still, I will tell you the story of Pingala. So, Pingala, she happened to be living a life of a prostitute, and due to whatever circumstances, she had to live that life, and it was so unfortunate. So she lived that life, and what happened was, try to understand. We all want to enjoy this world and titillate our senses. Have nice food for our tongue. Nice music. Not like okay, titillate our mind. So today Madhav is very quiet. Today Madhav is very silent. He's having peace today. Hare Krishna. So we want to titillate our senses. We want to experience love through these senses, which is actually not possible, because these senses have limit. You cannot, like you like this, and then it is like, it starts burning. You cannot eat like, you like what? Let us say pizzas. You can eat one pizza, two pizza, and after that what? You can't eat it. You can eat a lot of chocolate, whatever. You can eat a lot of chocolates, but after that you get diabetes. So body has limit. You can't even enjoy this world. So this prostitute, it is in Canto 11, chapter 8, verse 20 onwards. You can read this story. It is eye-opening. Eye-opening means eye-opening. I still remember when I was in some crisis, and somebody just sang that song. I was so peaceful. I just took that part of Canto. I read it whole night 5 or 6 times. You'll like it like anything. So this prostitute, she thought that, today I'll have a lot of clients and I'll make a lot of money and, give pleasure to the whole world or whatever. And just made all this makeup, she put this, nice braided hair and, all these garlands, and she dressed herself so nice. She stood on the door, standing on the door, trying to impress people around. And what happened? That she actually, nobody looked at her from morning to evening. Nobody. And she was like, what? Nobody cares for me? Wow. And she was like very upset. And what to do? And whole night went. It is said she almost leaned to the wall, expecting that somebody at least look at me. Nobody looked. And Bhagavatam mentions that she actually got a vairagya in the heart. That look at the situation that I am under in, and look at the level of a Vaishya, how much level of understanding, spiritual understanding she had. She says a song, very nice, very nice. It is really applicable today. She said, Santam samipe ramanam rati pradam vitta pradam nityam imam vihaya akamadam dukha bhayadi shoka moha pradam tuchamaham bhajednya. Santam samipe ramanam rati pradam vitta pradam nityam imam vihaya akamadam dukha bhayadi shoka moha pradam tuchamaham bhajednya. She says, Santam samipe ramanam rati pradam. Santam means not only saint. Santa also means the Lord, Paramatma. He's there in your heart. Santam samipe. He's there in my heart day in and day out, and he stays nearby. Santam samipe. Ramanam rati pradam. And I can daily associate with him. Ramanam rati pradam. Vitta pradam nitam imam vihaya. And I can actually reciprocate. He wants to reciprocate with me. Akamadam dukha bhayadi shoka. And what did I get? I just got akamadam dukha bhay adi. All these things I got. Sorrow, that is what I got. Moha pradam tuchamaham bhajednya. And in ignorance, in my illusion, very good, this verse has come here. In illusion, I'm trying to serve all these people who are not even worthy to be served. And leaving the service to my master, and this is what I've got. See, this translation is very nice. I am such a fool that I have given up the service of that person who, being eternally situated within my heart, is actually most dear to me. That most dear one is the Lord of the universe, who is the bestower of real love and happiness and source of all prosperity. Although he is in my own heart, I have completely neglected him. Instead, I have ignorantly served insignificant men who can never satisfy my real desires and who have simply brought me unhappiness, fear, anxiety, lamentation, and illusion. So, I think so. If you can just open the next verse, it's okay. There are a nice series of verses. You can just flow yourself. You will drown in ecstasy reading these verses. Yeah, the next verse, if you want, you can just you'll like it. This is another very nice verse. Aho mayatma paritapito vritha. Now, just translation we can go. The translation, it says, I have uselessly tortured my own soul. I have sold my body to lusty, greedy men who are themselves object of pity. Thus, practicing the most abominable profession of a prostitute, I hoped to get money and such pleasure. So, if you see, it is just that we all try to derive pleasure, trying to, try to many ways, and we don't get. And the person whom actually we can get pleasure with, we don't even have an iota of gratitude for him. It is Krishna, Sarva Akarshayati iti Krishna, who actually gives pleasure. And we are trying to take pleasure outside. That is why Radharani is our worshipable deity. Why Radharani? Why we worship Radharani? Because actually Radharani is the most intelligent personality who knows whom to take pleasure from. She worships Krishna. She knows giving pleasure to Krishna is the highest thing. And the and he is never going to leave you, you know. And if he leaves you also, he keeps his love with you. That is called Vipralamba Bhava, the love in separation. So we have to realize this fact that Krishna is actually our father. Pitahamasya Jagato Mata Dhata Pitamaha. You know, Krishna says that I am the father. I'm everything for you. Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Nivasa Sharanam Prabhava Pralayasthanam Nidhanam Bijam Avyayam. Krishna says, I am your Gati. I am your Prabhu. It's me. I am your Prabhu. Just imagine if there was no gravity. That what you call gravity is nothing but the energy of Lord Sankarshan, who holds things up according to Kshetra knowledge. Can you imagine that if there was no gravity, what would have happened? We all would have been flying with our zoom cameras, you know. Oh, Haribol Prabhu, you know. So even he is the gravity that is holding us. He is the Pranavayu. He is the Jatharagni. The food that you eat. Krishna says in Gita, Ham Vaishwanaro Bhutva Praninam Deham Ashritah Pranapana Samayukta Pachamyannam Chaturvidam. That actually all the 4 kinds of items that you digest, the Jatharagni or Vaishwanara is me. The fire of digestion is me. You can't even digest food unless he is there. He is the one who runs this whole situation. So all that we have got, opulence, all the nice beauty that we have got. Sometimes people are so obsessed with their beauty, they look at their mirror, wow. They're like, they want to make sure there's, and then they have like, and even there is one pimple, here or there somewhere, it is like, oh my God, But where did we get this beauty from? It is just because the soul or super soul is residing inside there is beauty to the body. The moment the soul goes away or the Lord goes away as super soul from that body gone, dead. So we have to realize this fact that it is the Lord who holds all the universes. Krishna says, Dharayami aham ojasaha, that I am the one who holds all the planets. They are fixed in their orbit and I am the one who holds. He says, what I was saying, there is a verse which says, Matta parataram nan kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarvam idam protam shutre mani ganaiva. Krishna says that actually you all are like those pearls and I am that underlying thread which you cannot see but which hold all the pearls. So Krishna is so grateful. He is with you all the time. And I will tell you, at any time of crisis, when you actually have no solution, you are alone and you are not able to understand, and you sincerely call out the Lord, you will see that he actually reciprocates. That is where this Hindu, Muslim, Christian and all these things go away. Why? Because actually Lord is with everybody. And the moment you call him as Lord, as Jehovah, as Allah, as Ram, as Krishna, he reciprocates. And when you chant his names, he is the one who reciprocates. It does not matter for him whether Judaism came 3,500 years ago or whether Sanatan Dharma came millions of years ago. It matters who is calling. It is like that. So this day we have as a Thanksgiving day. Let us thank Krishna for the devotee association that he has given us. Just like Abhay told that unless there is light, you can't see things. Similarly, unless there is association of devotees, you cannot understand Krishna. I again repeat this statement. Unless you have association of devotees, you cannot understand Krishna. So if you want to understand Krishna, you have to be in association of devotees. You should not think he's junior. What can he give it to me? He is senior. No, I'll go by his words. No. Don't think of junior, senior or whatever. In my shadow behind, you can see the kids are coming. I know you are observing that. The Gurukul kids are coming. I have told them to sit here, and they'll perform a kirtan for all of you. And this kirtan shall be dedicated to all of you New Jersey devotees, Bergen County. And then I will also take you to a ride to our Gurukul. For your kind information, the room which I am now is library. We are building a world-class library where we are getting all the scriptures. You can see all this Sushrut Samhita, Ayurved. You can see all the Vedas are here. Here there is full library here. I'll show you at the end. And this is the only room which is concrete. The rest all rooms are very traditional. You will have mercy on me after seeing those rooms. If you see my room, you will go in ecstasy only. But I have, I'll just brief you about the Gurukul. Why we had this Gurukul. Okay, I'll just show you our kids first. They've all the way come and here they are. Okay, एक बार सब लोग हरि बोल कर दो और 2 बार हरि बोल कर
Haribol.
So I'll just brief you about the Gurukul. These kids are just half of them have gone to Mayapur Yatra. Okay, these are the standard 4 till 4, na? 5, 6, 7 have gone to Mayapur Yatra with Keshavanand Prabhu and other brahmacharis. We have 110 devotees from other congregation program. So they have, along with them, the boys have also gone. And here they are. So they will go after they come. Maybe this batch we will try to send for Mayapur Darshan. So what is the concept of Gurukul that we are actually trying to implement is that Prabhupada has given us so much. He has given so much knowledge. He has written in the books. He had this core desire that actually unless you change the understanding, that the right understanding, if you don't give them, then naturally they are prone to take only the wrong understanding and live a life of, falsity. Like, we are taught that we are come from monkeys, we are taught that the earth is rotating and the sun is stationary, so many other things and so many practical things. We are prone to eat the chemical vegetables and rather not grow our own vegetables, So I had a desire to just serve Prabhupada in this way, to establish a kind of Varnashram system and, been born in an Indian family and, so I thought, why not contribute this way for Prabhupada, rather just being a president of a temple and, signing checks, Ramchandra Prabhu, So I thought of doing this thing. And so I designed a syllabus which has to come in the book form very soon by March or April. And I had a desire that we will teach them not only the government thing, that the government gives a certain syllabus that they should also undergo. I always feel that they should undergo, whereas some people don't have that opinion, but I keep it because if tomorrow many of them wants to leave, they should not be, in turmoil. And apart from that, we teach them Jyotish Shastra, Vastu Shastra, 21 languages, cosmology. We teach them Nadi Parikshan, the Ayurvedic medicines. We teach them cooking. We teach them horse riding. We teach them sword fighting. We teach them cow seva. We teach them farming. We teach them philosophy. We teach them shlokas. We teach them Sanskrit. And this is a 10-year syllabus that we have prepared for them. And we have Kusti, bodybuilding, like fights and all those things. There is a Kshatriya thing. There is a Brahmanical thing. There is a Vaishya thing. And we don't charge them anything. The reason is I don't want to charge them, because I want to be like a teacher to them and I want them to be a student to them. I don't want to be a paid master and a paid student. Okay, I neither take money, neither I give money. But at the end of the education, when they pass out, I want to give them 5 acres of land, which generally people donate me in villages. So I have a lot of land now also. This is 500 acres that we are building as a huge Vidyalaya, of which 6 acres I have used, 12 acres I have used. I will show you how I have used and how I am developing. You can, whenever you come to India, you please do visit here. You'll like it very much. You can live in our hut with us for 1 or 2 days, At least for you, I can give 1 bed. Okay. And we have now we are almost 40 brahmacharis. The introduction that I wrote was 2 months before, so it was 25 brahmacharis. Now they are become 40. And it is not only that we are doing this, we have gurukuls at 7 more places. So we have already established things. Now we are trying to send boys there and like do things. We have one in Udupi, one in Hebri, one in Karad, Maharashtra. So one in Paki, one in Goniato. So we have like things going on, expanding. And my brahmacharis, I have told them that everyone should establish one more. This can be a hub, and we can keep establishing. So before we die, our team has vowed that we will not do anything. We will do full preaching and Gurukul system and propagate what Prabhupada wanted. So before we die, we want to establish 10,008 Gurukuls. So this is what we have promised Bhakti Raghav Maharaj. Okay. So we are in full zeal. We don't waste a single moment. Okay. Day in, day night, we only work for this purpose. So this is Gurukul thing. And then apart from this, we are establishing a Vidyalaya. Vidyalaya means a study center where the same things can be taught to people of the age of 18 to 40. They can come 1 year here and stay and learn. And now because there is lockdown, so we are creating a Zoom kind of Vidyalaya very soon. We are coming with syllabus which you can enroll, but you have to be available on that particular time to study that subject. Like 8 to 9, there can be Sanskrit, 9 to 10. So for kids also, online kids, those who can't come to Gurukul, for them also we are designing a syllabus. So they can learn through us from this Vidyalaya. We can give it from here to all of you. So we are trying our best using modern technology and trying to use all these things and serve everybody. Okay. My kids are very eagerly waiting to do Kirtan for all of you. So what I will do is, I'll launch the camera on them and they can do Kirtan. तो आप सब कीर्तन कर सकते हैं. और ये सब जो भक्त हैं जिनसे मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ, ये अमेरिका में रहते हैं. इनको मैंने 10 हफ्ते से क्लास देता था ना सुबह, वो इन्हीं को देता था. तो ये सब आज आपका कीर्तन सुनेंगे. उसके बाद हम इनको गुरुकुल दिखाएंगे, है ना. तो हम लोग साथ में चलेंगे और गुरुकुल देखेंगे. So I told you why I don't charge. I don't charge because I don't want to make it a business. We call it Guru Dakshina system. At the end of the year, their parents come. Whatever they want to give, they give. We just accept. We don't want any business model here. That's the whole purpose. But surely we require money. So it just comes from well-wishers here and there. And I have faith on Krishna that if he does not give, Lakshmi will obviously, taunt him that Gadadhar, his team is hungry. So Krishna will be forced to send something. That is his job. Now, so all the devotees can come on camera. That is what we want. So that we have our kids also, they will come in camera very soon. Okay, I'll just take the stand and so that they can. एक करता ले लो, किसको बजाना है? और so I'll just नहीं मैं ले लूंगा. 2 लोग पकड़ेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम भी होगा. तो नहीं तो मैं ये इसको ही हाथ में निकाल के ले लूं, ये ज्यादा अच्छा है. I'll just handle the camera manually because अच्छा वो जो टावर है ना, वो जब निकलेंगे तो हाथ में ले लेना. So I'll just show you our library. Okay. So these are our kids here. Haribo. So this is our library that I'm showing you. All the books here. Okay. You can see Natya Shastra. The Natya Shastra. So we are trying to do a big drama team according to Natya Shastra, the emotions and all. So these are all scriptures here, And here we have all the books. You can see all the scriptures, the Upanishads, the Shushruta Samhita. So this is a library setup here. You can see the Rig Veda Samhita. All the Puranas and all, they are there. So we have our team here. I'll introduce all of them also. We have a digital board where we teach our kids, Many times, many brahmachari, many devotees, they give class on the Zoom for our kids as well. And many times our brahmacharis also, they have their bhakti shastri on the digital board. Okay, so one devotee from London, Birmingham, he gave this donation. One from Mumbai, he also gave one more. So there are two we have. So one is in this room, and one will fix when we create one more concrete room. So here we have this. So on the digital board, we have writing and other things going on. So now we'll have kirtan. We can, हम लोग सिर्फ कीर्तन चालू कर देंगे 5 मिनट, फिर को गुरुकुल घुमाएंगे, ठीक है? तो आप लोग चालू कर सकते हैं. हरे कृष्णा. नमः. कौन गाएगा?
कृष्णा
Thank you.
Hare Krishna. So these boys will follow us along when we take. I'll give you a tour. Before I give you a tour, these are desk of our teachers and principal. He is Adidev Prabhu. He idhar aa jana tower. He looks like a Gurukul student, but he's actually an engineer from SRM Chennai. He was a manager in Pune temple manager, and now he has joined us in this Gurukul project. And he's a very dedicated devotee. He studies all this Jyotish, astrology. He knows an entire astrology. So any of you want to know when you're going back to Godhead, you can just send your name, your date of birth, your time and place. He can tell you everything about you. So this is all Kala Chakra that I also teach on my cosmology sessions. I learn from him and then I teach online. So I'm like a copy paste engineer. So Adidev Prabhu, would you like to speak some two words for?
Yeah. Hare Krishna devotees.
Right.
Very nice to see all of you. So here we have some a small startup for Gurukul. So this is the basic of our Gurukul system. We focus on 5 things here mainly, basically the physical activities of the boys, social activities, socializing with the society, intellectual activities, then and finally the spiritual activities. So combining all these things, we are giving some training to the boys. So we need all the blessings and support. Hare Krishna.
So this is Adidev Prabhu. Okay, he is our Gurukul. Basically, he is the one who designs all the syllabus and all. We work in a team, but he is the one who handles our site and does everything. Here we have with us, we have Kuru Sreshta Prabhu. He is the technical principal of this school. He designs all the coordination of teachers and kids, the scheduling, the kitchen, the everything that is there you see is done by Kuru Sreshta Prabhu. And Kuru Sreshta Prabhu is working very hard to do this, and he is guiding not only this but other Gurukuls as well. And here we have with us Mahagun Prabhu. Mahagun Prabhu teaches Hindi, English and all the subjects. He takes care of the kids like their own kids, and very dedicated. He's a Grihastha devotee. So I'm planning to settle him here. You know, we are trying to prepare kutirs for our Grihasthas as well. You know, and these are our kids, all the boys, the coons, the dons. Haribol Kara, Rajveer. You know, the smartest of the kids is Golu. It's here. Hey Golu. हरिबोल कर दो इनको इनको बोलो गुरुकुल आना है आपको अमेरिका से लोग अमेरिका में रहते हैं देखे तो हम भारत छोड़ के अमेरिका चले गए मुंडी ऊपर करो ऐसे शर्माओगे तो कैसे होगा लड़की की तरह so I'll just take you to a tour वो कहाँ डोंगर हाँ तो साथ में रहना and here we have with us a devotee from Mumbai. His name is Ravi Prabhu. He has come to see the Gurukul. He'll be very soon coming and staying with us. So we are planning to prepare a small kutir for him. He had sponsored the initial construction of our temple hall, and is a very nice devotee. Is running away. He doesn't want to be on the camera. So क्या करें वहाँ से खत्म करके आ जाए तो फिर वो खत्म हो जाएगा. Now before I take you to the temple hall, I'll just tell you we have 500 acres of land, and of which we are utilizing almost 6 inside and 12 outside for farming as of now. And this is a place where we want to construct a better accommodation or another hall of concrete for next digital board or classroom to be prepared. And वो उसे लेके मैं उसको बोला था। हाँ बस ठीक है, यही दे दो मुझे, हाथ नहीं दे। So now you can see this pathway. Here we are also planning to create some more accommodations, and उनको बोलो हम लोग ना यहाँ से जाएंगे, तो उनको बोलो गौशाला में आ जाएंगे, वहां से हम लोग यहाँ से दर्शन करते जाएंगे। So our land is very big. You can see this all. I have told the villagers will establish a university, Nalanda University kind of thing. So with the team of devotees. So this is a upcoming kutir. This kutir we are going to dedicate to Keshavanand Prabhu. Okay. So this is how this is yet in undergoing in process. The simple kutir. We don't want to make it very lavish. This is if you recognize this kutir, I'll give you another $1,000. Tell me whose kutir is this?
Yours.
So you can see these bamboo doors. You can see the khajur patta, and so this is a simple kutir where we created this. I'll take you inside. The simple room. These are my personal books that I keep for study. The simple table. The simple lifestyle. Okay, you can enjoy this life. And this all other land that you can see is ours, is donated by the villagers to us for this service. Okay, the below land that you're seeing is the land where we are going to build a nice temple in future. Maybe the model is ready, but we are yet to, because of lockdown, we could not start things. We are planning to build a nice temple for, social kind of, because in Janmashtami we have 1.5 lakh people come to take darshan.
Wow.
So the deputy CM of this place, so huge crowd comes, which we can't even, we can't even see by them normal eyes. We use drone camera for recordings. So this is the land. This is the east-facing thing that I'm planning. This land where I'm standing, this one, this patch, I'm trying to build a temple for the Lord, Radha Ramanji. Okay, there is a pond kind of thing which we are planning to build a pond there, and the local people and the government and the people in the authorities, they're all supporting us. They are very happy because Jharkhand is a place where things don't happen this way. They're very happy that we are doing this. Now we have entered the Goshala. Okay. Now this is the back end of the Goshala. Now this is our Gomata. They are here standing for giving darshan. Okay. We have her here. Good leke aao. So we have kept some jaggery for them to be fed, especially on this occasion where on your behalf. I'll just give you darshan of all of them. Here we have here we have this small one. This is Kaveri. She is Kaveri, our dearmost. हाँ खिलाओ. She is the dearmost one, Kaveri. Kaveri, यहाँ देखो. And this is Padmini. She was born in the last to last Ekadashi, Padmini Ekadashi. Her mother is Parvati. We have names for everybody. There she is Subhadra sitting down. Now they are on your behalf. Hey! hey, उसके पास मत जाओ, पद्मिनी की मम्मी है. उसको खिलाओ, आगे खिलाओ. पार्वती के पास मत जाओ. hey, पार्वती को अलग से खिलाओ प्यार. शांत हो जाएगी. एक कावेरी को खिलाओ. इधर कावेरी को खिलाओ. जाओ. प्यार से खिलाओ. हाँ खिलाओ. Here we have.
खिला दिया हमको नहीं खिलाया
हाँ, क्या है? कैमरा खाएगी, कैमरा खाएगी, कैमरा। हाँ? किसको सर्दी हुआ है? हाँ, इसका नाम क्या है? राधा। राधा को सर्दी हुआ है। गोलू जी कुछ बताएंगे गुरुकुल के, आप गौशाला के बारे में कुछ बताइए इनको। दो शब्द बोलिए, बताइए ना, आप कैसे सेवा करते हैं बताइए इनको।
He serves daily from morning till evening. If nobody tells, still he comes and this cow dung. He collects all the cow dung and throws and gives water to the cow. He takes the bucket and bring water to the cow every day.
Every day this Golu Prabhu, he does all the seva but he does not speak anything. हाँ? हिंदी में बोलो, हिंदी में समझता है इनको। Very nice devotee. They are all boys here now. We will take you to another. Here we have calves, small ones. Oh, ये मारेगा लात, पीछे आराम से खिलाओ, ये आराम से खिलाओ। हाँ, तुम इधर आओ, तुम पहले इनको बताओ कैसे सेवा करते हो। इधर आओ, इधर आओ, इधर आओ। तुम्हारा गोलू शर्माता है, तुम यहाँ खड़े रहो और बताओ क्या क्या करते हो। 1 मिनट, ये लो, ये हाथ में पकड़ो, ये हाथ में पकड़ो ऐसा, ये पकड़ो ये वाला। हाँ हाँ, ऐसा पकड़ो ऐसा। हाँ, अब बताओ इनको।
यहाँ पे
थोड़ा नजदीक बोलो।
यहाँ पे थोड़ा गोबर भी उठाया जाता है और एक यहाँ पे बच्चा भी हुआ है, नया बच्चा, उसको माँ लात से मरती है, उसको भी दूध पिलाया जाता है। गोबर उठा के सबको गाय को कुट्टी सान के देना पड़ता है। उसके बाद जैसे फिर कुट्टी उट्टी लाना पड़ता है, अगर कुट्टी उट्टी खत्म होता है फिर ना पुहाल ला के कुट्टी काटना पड़ता है। यहाँ पे एक मशीन भी है कुट्टी काटने वाला। यहाँ पे जैसे कोई भी, यहाँ पे झाड़ू सेवा, किचन सेवा, सबका अलग अलग टीम बनाया गया है। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गाय सब है, जो नहीं मरती, कुछ ऐसी भी गाय है। गाय को खोलने वाला भी अलग टीम है। ऐसे बहुत तरह का अलग अलग टीम बनाया गया है।
गाय का दूध का छाछ और दूध दही कैसे बनता है बताओ।
गाय का दूध गार के जो एक यहाँ पे ना डेटी रूम है, वहाँ पे दे दिया जाता है। वहाँ पे एक मटका में झाप के रख दिया जाता है, वो माखन बन जाता है, पूरा माठा बन जाता है। उसको चला के छाछ बना के जो उससे घी निकलता है, ये क्या माखन, उससे घी बना के भगवान के लिए हल्टर में जलाते हैं।
So we have now we are going to, हमको राजवीर जी दर्शन दिला रहे हैं। बताइए क्या क्या दिखाएंगे आप।
गाय का नाम बताइए।
गाय का नाम बताइए तो। ये सुरभि, ये इंद्र, सुरभि का बेटा इंद्र। तुम मेरे सामने खिलाओगे, खिलाओ। ये देखो, उसी में डाल दो, वो कर लेगी एडजस्ट। नहीं, वो गिर गया ना बेटा, वो नहीं देना। He is Bhimsen, the bull. Oh, Honda. ये कार्तिक है ना? This is the calf which was born in this month, so his name is Kartik. So just a minute, यहाँ का गौशाला दिखाएं। So this is the cow shed that we have. हाँ रुको, अभी ये दिखा देते हैं इनको। This is the cow shed that we have. So every day morning the boys will come and they will remove all the gobar, all the cow dung. Okay, they'll remove all the cow dung, and then the cows are taken from morning 9. Okay, in lockdown we personally built this. We all brahmacharis did not pay anybody. With our own shoulders, we carried all the bamboos, cut them, prepared it. हाँ, तो वो दिखा देता हूँ ना उधर का. वैसे भी यहाँ से आगे जाना भी है. This is our crate where they carry the गोबर. दिखाओगे गोबर निकाल के उसमें गोबर डाल के कैसे निकालते दिखाओ तो. हाँ, अभी the trolley is going. This is the same trolley which was put in the moon landing by the astronauts. So we got them here, one piece of. हाँ, ऐसे हाथ से निकालो भी क्या, हाथ से निकालो, कुदाल से निकालते हो. आ गया कुदाल. ठीक है, तुम लाओ तब तक मैं वो करके आता हूँ. तो दिस इज हाउ दे रिमूव द. So this is our Prabhu. He's joined us very recently, very nice devotee. As of now, he's taking care of cows, and he's come to learn all the scriptures. Very soon, he'll also learn all the scriptures and be one of the preachers. You know, we are training people here. He's come to join our Vidyalaya. Haribol. He's come to join our. These are our two kuteers. One is for the farming items to be kept, and this is one which is for the cutting the thrashing the, what do you say, fodder for the Gomata. And here we have with us our Baba. We call him the GBC of this place. He is like a very old person. He has come. He is Mr. Our we call him GBC Baba. Hare Krishna. बाबा ये हमारे अमेरिका में जो स्टूडेंट सुनते हैं ना लेक्चर्स, वो लोग हैं. तो आज उनको गुरुकुल दिखा रहा हूँ. तो दो शब्द आप कुछ कह देंगे हिंदी में ही. हाँ,
परिश्रम ही सफलता की कुंडी है. परिश्रम के अलावा दुनिया में कोई रास्ता नहीं.
ही इज सेइंग परिश्रम ही सफलता की कुंडी है. हार्ड वर्क इज अ सॉल्यूशन टू एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू.
और अपना सुधार ही संसार की सबसे बड़ी सेवा है.
अपना
सुधार ही संसार की सबसे.
हाँ, self improvement is the best way to serve the society.
Perfect.
हम मरने चले युग के प्रचंड धारा.
हम मरने के लिए,
हम मरने चले युग के प्रचंड धारा.
he is saying a कविता. हम मरने चले युग की प्रचंड धारा.
वेद के मार्ग पर चलो.
वेद के मार्ग पे चलो. Walk on the way of Vedas. Thank you Baba. Baba, in India we have all type. We have place for different sadhus. They can also come and stay with us. So this is the way where we keep our fodder. ए बच्चा लोग आओ इधर अंदर. So this is the place where we totally have a shed to keep the fodder for the whole year. It was totally complete by last year. Now it is getting finished. We'll get a new batch. जाके उठा के दिखाओ ना. Our boys played WWF here. ए कुश्ती खेल के दिखाओ इसके ऊपर. जाओ. एक आदमी कुश्ती खेल के दिखाओ. We will show you how they play कुश्ती. ए मेरे को ऊपर ले. तू कैसे लेगा? रुक. हाँ हाँ खेलो यहाँ. ये चलो दो लोग कुश्ती खेलो. प्रभु जी को लाइव दिखाओ सबको. चलो. ए इस साइड गिरना, उधर मत गिरना. गोलू तुमको मार रहा है वो. ए खेलो. कौन खेलेगा? दो लोग फटाफट. जल्दी खेलो टाइम कम है. हाँ करो. ये हटो. देखो. हाँ ये देखो. और एक बार. दे ही शोइंग द समरसॉल्ट. एक समरसॉल्ट. हटो गोलो. हरिबोल. डबल सॉल्ट. ए कुश्ती खेलो, कुश्ती दो लोग कौन खेलता है? जल्दी खेलो, जल्दी खेलो, खेलो खेलो। So this is the joy. हरी बोल, आ जाओ, चलो आगे। So this is the joy of studying in Gurukul. Your minds are open, your minds are fresh, you have the best of the knowledge. Everything is छोड़ दो हरी बोल, छोड़ दो। हाँ, so this is how they are. He makes this baby feed. ए दिखाओ कैसे पिलाते हो, जल्दी दिखाओ, चलो। हाँ देखो, he is feeding the newborn calf milk. भगा रहा है, भाग भाग भाग, पकड़ 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 पकड़। He is feeding. प्यार से। The newborn, they are feeding milk to the newborn. वाह, हरी वो उसको प्रेशर आ जाएगा इतना लोगे तो। चलो,
अरे मैं भूल गया पिलाने।
क्या लाने के?
वो बोल रहा था, मैं भूल गया पिलाने के लिए।
आ जाओ। Here we have. ए वरा किधर है, वरा? Hey, मुंडा। These are all different. They are very friendly to us because they are born here. Many of them are born in Ekadashi here. So these are the woods that we use for cooking. तुम बदमाशी करेगा। हरि बोल। Now I'll just take you to our kitchen and our little farm. Give a moment. इसको निकालो. ये निकल. So we are taking you to the kitchen. This is our kitchen. So he is a new devotee. He cooks here. These are today's breakfast, Ekadashi breakfast. This is khichdi, Ekadashi khichdi. We cook on. You can see the chulhas. You can see the. You can see the coal that we cook on. These are storeroom inside. These are tulsi. All full tulsi forest. Acha, this is a tree in front of you. Can you tell me which flower tree it is? Another $1,000. Yes, you can unmute yourself and tell me. It is called chafa, chafa in Marathi. I don't know what you call in English. What we call chafa in Marathi. This is the Parijata tree, which actually Satyabhama told Krishna to get from Indra. You can see the Tulsi Maharani, she grows like anything here. She is more than my height. And if you see Tulsi Maharani, she is bigger than my height. क्या दिखाना है? लेवेंडर का वो बचा ही नहीं कुछ, तुम लोग तोड़ तोड़ खत्म कर दिए. Here we have, these are insulin plants, and they have been planted. This is called kala haldi or black turmeric. It is very costly, very rare, because if you get that turmeric, you can open any lock. So generally thieves use this black turmeric as lock opener. And this orchid that you are seeing has different variety of fruit plants, like fruit trees which are there. Mango, you can see santra, orange trees here. The chikus, the anjeer variety, you can see variety here. You can see the lemongrass. Generally prepare lemon tea with this lemongrass, actually. You know, this lemongrass that you can see here. And the tree that you can see from that side, that is called elaichi. Elaichi, all of you know, I don't know what you call in English. Elaichi. Cardamom, yeah. Now this is a small kutir for our boys to stay. We have 3 kutirs for boys to stay. This is one of them. So this is a kutir from inside. and this is how they have their boxes, you know. The kids have their boxes here like this in line, and that is how they take. There is a studio room khula hai andar mein, band hai. We have a studio room inside which you can see. It is very nice from inside, and this is a simple lifestyle that our boys live, and we live like them. This is Keshav Anand Prabhu's room. It is here where he goes live. You can see this. There was a board here. That is where he goes live. This was my room where I gave you all other sessions earlier. But now I have shifted there, and this I gave to another devotee. So he is using this. And this is our guest room as of now, where we have devotees come and stay here. This is the only room which has attached toilet bathroom facility. Okay, and here we are doing construction for the guests. We are actually preparing some more accommodations here. We are preparing something that shall be completed very soon, so that our guests can come and stay here. Okay, very simple. Okay, we we are not much focused into much more lavish construction. तो अभी खेत में चलेंगे, चलो. Now we will take you to the place where they do farming. So ये बीज लाया, आ जाओ छीट देते हैं. So today we are going to farm some palak seeds on your behalf, so that after maybe 15-20 days I'll show you the pics. I'll send the pics to Ramchandra Prabhu. If you see here, we have schedules of, you know, levels of how. Now this is a notice board. Golu, har jao. How they study, and there is, you know, proper. Obviously, the boys tear it at their own pleasure, for their own pleasure. But we keep posting. Okay. This is our back end of the DT room. Here we have our Pujari Raju Prabhu. He's been serving from last 2 years, 2.5 years. You know, Raju Prabhu, he looks very simple. He looks, you know, very nice, humble devotee, very scholarly, very studious, and very sincerely serving the deities. ये हमारे यूएस का ग्रुप है, वो लोग लाइव देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, हरे कृष्णा. And this is the room for the boys. Again, as I told you, there's another room for the boys where every day from morning 3 to 8 they are very active, and they have to clean their own rooms in turns. And this is a common facility. So here now, because in rainy season we did not do gardening, because in rainy season the water gets clogged. So in this, now the rainy season has ended, the kids will grow flowers and all here. Now they are all preparing these beds. Okay, here we have rose garden which we planted somehow. So it is very sustaining. You can see the flowers. They'll come. These are all garden, rose garden prepared. And हाँ, कौन सा है? अच्छा हाँ, ये कौन सा flower है? These are some flowers. It appears to be some foreign flower only. Here we have this. ये इसका फूल का नाम क्या भूल गया मैं. मोगरा ना? These are moगras. And these are our bananas within the campus. There are 400 banana out of the campus. I'll show you them also. Here we have. Now, almost every month we have 5 or 6 banana trunks, used for cooking, So यहाँ लगाना है, कहाँ लगाना है? तो कहाँ लगेंगे? वहाँ तैयार में लगा देंगे? तो लगा दो उसमें. ये बाद में दूसरा बेड लगा देंगे. So one here, एक बार हल्दी दिखा के लाता हूँ. So here we have planted in the boundary the bananas jackfruit. We have the jackfruit here. Okay. Here we have haldi. This is haldi is turmeric. Here we have planted total turmeric. ए बोला है वो निकालने के लिए इनको दिखाओ कैसे कोड़ के टर्मरिक होता है सो have you just unmute yourself and tell me whether you have ever seen turmeric how it is on the ground. If no, I'll show you a live demonstration in 2 minutes.
No.
Unmute and so we will just
No,
show you
never.
how it is.
No.
I'll
You
just
know,
show
we are growing
Yes.
at home.
Want to see.
We
So,
can grow at
I've
home,
seen.
you know.
this is a
Adrak
turmeric plant.
and turmeric.
So these are all turmeric plants here. I'll just show you one of them. We'll just uproot one of them. मैं जल्दी लेके आओ भाग रहे तो कौन सा वाला निकालोगे एक काम करो ये वाला निकाल दो देखो ये वाला निकाल दो ठीक है तो इसको निकाल दो यहाँ वाला आम के साइड में भी है ना काम भी हो जाएगा दोनों हो जाएगा ये वाला निकाल ये ऑटो कैमरा में दिखने दो तुम लोग गर्दी मत करो उस साइड से निकालो हाँ ये देखो
You can plant it back.
और
Ah, good.
you can see that they have removed and you see behind
Do you use for cooking?
और भी है अंदर में देख तो जमीन में या हाँ सी अभी you can see in the ground there more देख अंदर में भी है हाँ ये देखो you can see that there are more see
You know,
Yeah,
adrak
don't-
also you can grow like that. It is just looks like that. Adrak.
yeah ah see this is haldi hari bol oh there is more haldi more and more haldi you can see there is more haldi you look there is more haldi ये हटो उंगली हटाओ रे महात्मा उंगली हटाओ तुम लोग
It will grow, keep on growing. You can leave it back.
no that's okay one for New Jersey yeah इधर दिखाओ गोलू हाथ में दिखाओ see look this is haldi okay we are done with haldi session so this is avla means amlaki or I don't know English word and this is one more thing and this is one more thing these three plants together combined for Trifula Charana so we have planted them when they grow we will prepare Trifula Charana okay what is this plant anybody more than my height
Is that neem?
no this is dal the dal that you eat the pulse बोलते हैं ना pulses दाल तोड़ के दिखाओ ये निकाल रहे हाथ से निकाल इसको एक निकालेगा
वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा
हाँ बड़ा ले लेंगे एक बार यहीं खेलों में दिखा दिया ना हाँ ये रुको उसको ले तुम्हारे ये दाल है सीधी दिस दाल खा के दिखाओ ओके तोड़ के और तोड़ रहे काय तोड़ रहे खाएगा तो तोड़ so this is the inner area that we are in this is our papaya okay and there are many
Papaya,
more trees
right.
inside and you can see the dal trees they are very big there you can see them see the dal ones they're very huge so the dal comes for consecutive 15 years and every tree will give you 3 to 4 kgs of dal okay this is Arjun tree Shami tree this one so it is called if anybody has Shani Graha and there is Shami tree in his garden there will be no effect of Shani on him. I'll show you lemon tree that we have. This is the lemon tree. Nibu. You can see the nibus. Now this is rainy season is over. Now we'll have a lot of vegetables planted here. Vegetables and flowers, different. This is our flower garden.
Do you have a supply of water to the garden?
Yeah, we have.
Okay.
हाँ कौन निकला ना बहुत अच्छा धो के रख दो किचन में दे दो now I'll just take you to this is our inner circle that I showed you. Now I'll take you to the चल रहा मेरे साथ नदी पे भी जाएंगे. I'll take you also it will take more 10-15 minutes. We'll take you to the river of where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took bath. Okay, and in between we have some more farms that we are doing now. So I'll show you the banana plantations and the farm that you use for vegetables. Now the grains farm has been cut. अब उधर हम लोग सब्जी लगाएंगे. Almost December to March end we have vegetables till June, and 6 months we have rice paddy.
Oh, it's about
So this big
it's about 9 in the morning there. I was just wondering,
Okay.
What time do the children have their breakfast?
now it is ready. They were just waiting for your session to get over. Now it is over. They are gone. They are taking.
I
Now.
see it.
Now it is only me with you. So here now we are constructing a new. इधर क्या बना रहे हैं हम लोग? This is a Yagyashala that we are constructing. So daily we will have Yagya here. So this is a place allotted for Yagyashala. चलो आ जाओ. These are a solar panel helping the library. Now we are into the jungles.
Any medical support?
Yeah, we from here we have nearby there is a doctor. He stays here. So if there is some urgent, he helps, and we have vehicles. So in case there is some problem, we immediately take people. So there are 400 banana plantations inside, Prabhu. Okay. Here is all bananas inside. And
I think
now it is
banana-
because I'll
I
not.
think banana plants need a lot of water.
Yeah. So we have here. There is no problem.
No, I see the bananas.
So if you see carefully, here you can see more than 100 bananas, and inside, I'll not go inside because it is very shrubby. Inside there are more than 300 bananas inside. Okay, the
Yeah.
trees. So we have bananas here. Now I'll take you to the place where we have vegetables, but that vegetables will be grown now because rainy season has just ended now. It is always green.
Do you grow all the vegetables?
Did you hear the? All means the.
All you
हिंदी
need.
में बोलते ना कोहड़ा. Yeah. That we grow. So this is The well that we use for watering the vegetables.
Okay. Pump.
Pump is there that we have removed because we didn't use it for 6 months. No. So these grasses you are seeing, these grasses are for the cows to feed.
Oh, the tall ones.
These are special ones. They grow 21 feet. Yeah, we cut them, they come up again.
Yeah.
So here there is a field, which paddy field, which we will use for vegetables now. The paddy field has been cut. Okay. यहाँ से चले जाएं क्या? निकाल देते हैं ना, पिछला रास्ता जो था उधर से भी मैं जानता हूँ, यहाँ से चलते हैं ना, चल रास्ता बनाना पड़ता है, घुसो बस एक बार. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट. 1 2 3 भाग. अरे वो लग गया रे, जा जा, मेरे को लग गया. You will find lot of, but anyways, just a minute. Shortcuts. So you can see the dhan or the grains that have been cut and kept. So they will be collected by the villagers and अरे अच्छा किया तुम वहां से आ गए यार. मैं तो
I thought you feed cows.
No, हाँ, yeah, the remaining thing we feed the cows. चलो कोई बात नहीं, इसको निकाल देंगे बाद में. आज चलो घूमते हैं. हाँ, तुम एक काम करो, 1 मिनट का कैमरा पकड़ो. तो ऐसा कैमरा पकड़ो, ऐसे पकड़ के 1 मिनट निकाल ही देते हैं.
You okay, Prabhu?
निकाल दे. सूखा है फिर भी. इसको ऊपर कर लो.
Prabhuji, what grade you start English teaching?
So the boys are more smarter than me. They took a better road. We have here tamarind tree and we have a mango tree. So in the seasons they are full of mangoes and tamarinds, Sanatan Goswami says that a sadhu, he can easily live on a little rice and the tamarind leaves. Hare Krishna. So I'll have some tamarind leaves on your behalf. Okay.
It is sour, You can
It's okay.
cook with a dal.
Here we have the head of the village, his father, 90 years old, he is still working in farm. प्रभु जी हमारे अमेरिका से कुछ शिष्य हैं.
No retirement.
इनसे आप 2 मिनट कुछ बोल सकते हैं. कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
अच्छा अच्छा,
भक्त यहाँ आने पे प्रचार पर कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा है.
रुको आपको ऐसे इनका सेल्फी दिखा देते हैं. ये सब जो है ना वहाँ पे, ये सब वहाँ आपको लाइव दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है, इन सबको आज गुरुकुल दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. सो वी हैव विथ अस आवर प्रभु जी, प्रधान प्रभु, and his name is Madhvanand Prabhu. He took initiation from Bhakti Raghav Maharaj now, and he's a part of our family, chanting daily. His rounds going village to village preaching. He helps us, like that. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण.
घुमा के ले आता इनको. चलो आ जाओ. So these are the fields. Now we will use this for vegetables. These whole fields. So there is lake here, and to the boundary of the lake we have planted all the bananas. And here also we have planted bananas to this boundary also. You can see. In this field also we'll put vegetables. Last time we put beans here. And this is a well. Okay, the water is so pure. You can see even what is below. Hey, nikal ke pee ke dikhao. Chal. Imli kha raha hai. See, look, this boy is now eating tamarind. चलो पानी पी के दिखाओ. हाँ ऐसे निकालो, उससे निकालो वो जो है. See, the water is so pure. You can directly drink. It is better than the Bisleri. Winter special. Bas. So we have this Prabhu, and this is the lake here where generally this gets dry, not dry, but yeah, in the summers it is less water. Now there's a 3-acre land that side of the plot where we have put grasses only for the cows. And here is the dal again. You can see a lot of dal here. Simple village life. Prabhupada wanted a university kind of thing. So we searched a lot of lands, and last we got this nice land. So there's a 3-acre land inside where we have put lot of grasses. The big grasses that I showed you, we have planted them. And that is what we cut and give the cows, the fresh green ones.
Prabhu, any fear of animals coming in this area?
No. Generally, there is one small jackal kind of thing, but that is like a darpok jackal, not the fierce one. So nothing happens generally. You can see the grasses there. This is all huge land, and you can see the grasses planted also. You can see them. They will come up. These are new ones which we have planted, cut and planted. And these are the older ones. So these grasses are used for the cows. So like that. A huge land. It is a big land. If I go there, it will take time. We have to go to the river. So I'll go back again. Now I'll take you to the river where Lord Chaitanya, he took bath, and the place where he took bath, and he was very happy. He in fact told, it is mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita, that he said, every forest that I see in Jharkhand, it looks like Vrindavan. And every river here is like Yamuna. So for us, it is Yamuna bath. Lord Chaitanya's special mercy. In the morning, there will be birds chirping. We don't have tractor. And as of now, because our area is remote, we just get it on rent to plow. But we are getting 2-3 bulls ready for plowing. So as of now, timing we use the tractor, but we're planning gradually to make our bulls. Yeah. We don't have tractor personally. We rent it. It is actually better because. In the river, our boys, they'll go to swim every alternate day. They are most fortunate. So this place, as I told you, we will have vegetables again. And let's see if the bananas grow. They will give bananas in this land. This is another part of the paddy field which they have cut and kept. बंद कर देना. Now we are going to the river side. It is just maybe 100-200 meters. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this front, you can see a tree, tall tree. This tree is what the local people worship. So even Krishna says that I am among trees, I am Ashwatha. Because water is best. It's a manifestation of Krishna. So here actually generally they worship trees because they say that trees give us everything. Just like Krishna worshipped Govardhan. So you'll find a tree on the tree. You can see a banyan tree on the tree. You will have to have a closer look. You can see a banyan tree on the top of the tree. So this proves the 13th chapter of Gita. Kshetrajnam chapi mam viddhi sarva kshetreshu bharata. Any life can subsist on any life, provided it is the kshetra. It provides the environment. In the evenings, there are a lot of parrots here.
How about peacocks?
Yeah, peacocks are there. They're that side of the land. There are almost 20-30 peacocks.
Beautiful.
So this whole 500-acre land that you are seeing, I have told the villagers that we'll develop it in a way that we'll build a university where worldwide people will come and learn and live in a very simple way, not a very like University of Cambridge or something very huge. No, we just want people to live simply and learn things. Our focus is to give education. Because sometimes facilities attract all kind of nonsense crowds.
Who's the GBC there?
GBC is Jayapataka Maharaj. Bhakti Purushottam Maharaj.
Purushottam Maharaj does this tribal preaching. Is that any in Jharkhand also? Or just another?
It is in one of the districts. There is a northern district called Pakur, where actually Maharaj does some preaching there also, tribal preaching. And there are some Namhatta preaching centers nearby also. So that is also there.
This is the same forest area from where Mahaprabhu traveled?
Yeah, this is just near adjacent to this, that village is there, where Mahaprabhu took bath and took rest in one of the places. So there is a temple built already by the old people, earlier generation. Now we are almost 10 meters to the river.
Yes, water all the year around.
Water is there, yeah. 12 months.
Okay, good. Oh, it is the river.
If you see, it is very transparent. You can see that stones below. So generally there is a dam ahead. So sometimes they leave the water. Sometimes they have very less water. If you want, I can go down.
Prabhu, what's the name of the river?
Suvarna Rekha.
No, this is
If you
fine.
go to Chetan Charitamrita, you'll find Suvarna Rekha. So this is the road that our boys have built, you know, going down. I'll just go.
Do they have boats to go around, carry the goods?
No, no, you can just walk. No. You can just walk through. It is only in rainy season that you cannot pass. Other seasons you can easily walk. You can see beneath. So pure. It is called Suvarna Rekha because there are gold particles in this river. So people ahead, they collect gold from this. So I'll do Achman on your behalf.
Hope
Okay.
you find some big rock.
Gold rock.
Yes.
So yes. Yeah, then I'll okay, just a minute.
It's beautiful, Prabhu.
Abba, you should come and stay with me only.
But one day I can visit.
Okay.
Yes.
So how was the tour? You liked it?
Amazing. Very well.
Beautiful.